Nano Banana just broke the internet again. Google launched Nano Banana Pro and it delivers hyper-realistic, ultra-consistent images, and I'm going to show you many powerful use cases. Starting with its ability to generate clear tiny text with zero distortion, create full storyboard from a single image, and build complete infographics with clean text characters and elements that are actually useful. It can translate text inside image for global markets, change daytime or lighting, and even generate super realistic consistent UGC style results, and even design rendering and style exploration, separate objects and products with proper listing, create full brand kits, adjust natural lighting and shift focus for cinematic visuals. And the best part, it delivers 4K results in every image ratio. Also, you don't need to spend hours on Canva. There is a platform which is far better than Canva and easy to use. And in this video I will show you how you can use Nano Banana Pro inside Dreamina. Because Dreamina now has Nano Banana Pro to customize and create your image with a creative canvas. Inside Dreamina's canvas, you get everything: image generation, full editing tools, and AI image to video with first and last keyframes, so you never feel the need to switch any other platform. And make sure to check out the description link to sign up on Dreamina, and let's start the tutorial. So after landing on the Dreamina's homepage, you will see this tab like Start Creating with AI Image. So you have to select the feature AI image and just upload your image. So I have a character here. Okay, now I have a product and a location. So I will select the all of three images like this. After importing the all three images, you can see you have to give a prompt like I will give a prompt like woman showing a product towards the camera with a place behind her, depth of field. Now select the image model. So I will select Nano Banana Pro, which is recently added. Now simply select the ratio according to your platform like 16:9 landscape. Now select Ultra 4K, so it will deliver 4K quality image. Tap send button and wait a few moments and it will deliver results like this. I just wanna say no AI model can deliver this kind of consistent result. As you can see, the product, the location and the character is so consistent, the clothes, the hairs, everything is mind-blowing. And now I'll show you another example. Like I have this girl image, so I will create an outfit diagram or a flat illustration fashion sheet. So now I will give a prompt like analyze the outfit and create a clean outfit color plate chart. Show each clothing item separately, t-shirt, shirt, cap, etc, and much more. And don't worry about the prompts, I will give all the prompts I used in this video. So as you can see, the clean outfit breakdown and the consistency across colors and names is perfect. Nano 2 analyzed the outfit so well that even text is not distorted like other AI models. It will give you 4 variations so you can keep the best one. That's how you can generate vector style sheets of your products and outfits. So now let me show you another example. So I have added a vector image and I will give a prompt like create multiple yoga poses using the given illustration. Ensure that each pose is clear labeled with the corresponding name or description. And you will get this kind of character pose pack or other similar activity you can generate. So basically it's a one-click solution with AI that takes hours on Photoshop and manual hand drawing. Let me show you another example. I have a room image with a full of furnitures and I'm gonna create an interior design background. So simply import it and I will give a prompt accordingly like analyze the provide image and generate a bulleted list of all destined objects present in the frame. Focus purely on the identification and much more. And you will get results like this. As you can see, the clean text and all of the items and elements are present in this chart. Now let's dive into image editing with AI. So I have added an image like a group of friends staying on stairs at night. To change the night into day, I will give a simple prompt like change nighttime into daytime only, and just tap generate button and wait a few seconds. So here's the result with multiple variations, and you can see the character consistency is mind-blowing. Nobody can say this image was captured at night. Seriously, it delivers the best output with 4K quality, and that's why Nano Banana 2 becomes the #1 AI image model. You can even change the pose, camera angles and different perspectives with the prompt like generate a multiple pose based on the character reference, keep identity and outfit consistent while changing posture, camera angles and body dynamics. You will see this kind of results that are actually good. All characters and their outfits are highly consistent, but their location and camera angles are changed. Now let's see this. I have used the same image third time and I will give a unique prompt like turn these people into keychain toys lying on the white bed, and tap generate button. So I'm curious to see the result. Damn, you can see the outfit and even the genders are exactly same. It's really amazing. Now let me show you another example. I have added an image with a flower and a place. So as you can see, the flower is in focus and background is blur. So now we're gonna shift the focus. So I will give a prompt, focus on the white place behind and make flowers blur. And this will change the focus like this. Notice how it transfers the focus behind. Now our flowers are blur and background white place are in focus. And you can see the detailing of white place are absolutely insane. And that's how you can play with depth of field. Now let me show you the last example to create a storyboard by using a single image. So I have a player image and I will give a prompt like create a full storyboard by using the reference image. Just simply tap generate and it will create full storyboard by using a reference image, and you can see the costume, the color, the character is absolutely consistent. Not only storyboard, you can create even manga style comics. So right now Dreamina is the best platform to use Nano Banana Pro. So make sure to check out the description link to sign up on Dreamina.